Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Bank Robber. We got another video for you guys. This is going to be a weekly breakdown. What can we expect next week? Um, what happened this week? This will be a longer video, probably around the 5 to 10 minute mark, but it's going to be packed with knowledge. Now, first of all, let me go over a beautiful trade I took over the weekend, or sorry, uh, this week actually, last week. So price came into my zone, a bunch of beautiful rejection candles, engulfings, and I took the trade, stops above my zone, which was actually 15 pips, and then I took 3% at around, or 1% profit at around here, and I left the rest run. So in total it was about an 11% trade. Now, very simple trade. Let's go to remove drawings here and let's break it down. Now, remember what I said like 2 videos ago? If you want to go watch it, go back and look and see what happened. Exactly what I said is gonna happen is actually played out. I said pay attention to the monthly time frame. Last month's candle was very bullish. Whenever you're shorting in this instance, you're counter trend trading very heavily. And let me tell you, when GJ pumps, it pumps. Like it won't stop for anyone. So I said we're going to look for that monthly bottom wick to continue up. Now, is this the complete bottom wick though? Like, did it already create its bottom wick in the first 4 days of the month? We don't know. We can't really tell you that. It could reject up here one more time, right? Come down, create a deeper wick to then continue up, right? We don't know. But these are the stories that you have to create and that you have to pay attention to when you're actually going into the new week. And I like to do this every Sunday, Saturday, like to get on the charts and write the story. Now, you see what happened on the weekly, right? So on the monthly, last month was very much bullish with the baby rejection, right? And then this month's candle should continue to where? You don't know. We don't know, but the next target could be somewhere up there. If you look at the weekly though, this is why I said we really might just have one more push to the downside because you have your weekly resistance right here, right? If you draw a line here, just like that, this was your lower low, right? So you have high, right? Boom. And then you make your new low. So this is now a lower high. Is it possible for price to break lower than this? I don't personally think so because then we would actually have to engulf down. It could happen though, right? But that's what I'm saying. Create the story for yourself. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think we're going to come make a lower low. But I do think that one or two scenarios are going to play out next week. One scenario is we're going to have a wick up, right, to continue down, fill in this wick and potentially lower, right? Or we're going to instantly have a wick down and a fucking blast to the upside, right? Those are the two options. Now you're like, wow, that's trading. You buy or you sell. Well, that's why you implement your zones and then you see what's going on in those inside those zones. If you see rejections like you saw, for example, like I saw here, well then what do? You just short. It's telling you to short right here. You just short. Don't hesitate, right? But that is very much important to pay attention to. Like, are we gonna come up, reject, and fill the wick of the weekly? Maybe come a little bit deeper, right? Reject again, and then next week reject down again to then continue up, or do we just continue up? Very important to know where could we come down to. Well, we could come down into one of these areas. This area got respected, right? We might be able to break down here, right? Because this is the weekly wick. We might be able to break down into this area. We don't know. We don't know, right? We really don't know, right? It's important to pay attention to what you have, like the candles that are printed right now. Pay attention to that and then just react, right? Me personally, I miss these longs. Why? Because had shorts. I had a nice 13% move. I'm not looking, or 11%, I don't know. I'm not looking to get into the markets after an 11% win. I'm going to let the markets rest. I'm going to let my brain rest a bit. And then I'm going to see if there's a nice setup coming in this week or maybe next week. Right? Because if you can do 11%, even 10% a month on a continuous basis for a whole year, you profited like 120%. So, and that is in my weekly goal. Like all I need is 10% a month. That's my goal, and those get hit. So now, exactly like I said, pay attention to what's gonna happen. We don't know where it's gonna pull back to, or it could just do something quick like this, continue, or it could do something like this and continue. We don't know. Pay attention. It's in a very interesting area. Also, let's see if we have news real quick, and then I'm gonna call it a video. So Friday. So we do have, oh, Pal speaks Monday at 1 a.m. I might have to stay up for that, see what it's gonna do. So that's actually gonna mess the markets up quite a bit. Some small news, right? They're calling positive numbers, right? So probably a nice little spike in GJ here, and then for the rest, that's actually it. Unemployment claims, USD, that's gonna have some fireworks, and that's it. So pay attention to what could happen. Um, if you guys need any help, the Discord link will be linked below. You can reach out to me there, and I can help you out further from there. Just send me a DM whenever I'm on my computer. I can get back to you, or just hit me up on my Instagram. Uh, don't forget to check the giveaway, and yeah. It's your boy Bank Robber. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something. And have a good day, guys. Peace.